Good morning, YouTube. We're heading out on an adventure out in the country today, and I hope you enjoy it. Pretty green fields, blue sky. Woo! Can't ask for anything better than this. Beautiful day. So we are in the Cleveland National Forest, and it said there was 5 miles to the lock gate. So we've just arrived at the locked gate, and it is beautiful. We're at the Tenaja Falls Trailhead of the San Mateo Canyon Wilderness. And here are all the regulations. I'll back up and show you the hiking trail. There's no bicycles, but you can take your dogs on a leash. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We're not going to hike here, but we're gonna go to another spot. Okay, we found our spot, and it is beautiful. Big rocks, big trees, and another hiking trail. Are you doggies happy back there? Precious looking out the back window. She wants to go smell squirrels. She says we got places to go, things to do, and rodents to sniff. So here we go. That was funny. We were coming up this hill behind me here. Buddy was doing his thing, pooping in the road, and a big red truck came around this corner. So I had to drag the dogs out of the way. And while I was dragging the dogs out of the way, I found a quarter in the leaves. That was a funny moment. Fisherman's Camp Trailhead, San Mateo Canyon Wilderness, and we are in the Cleveland National Forest. It has a map here, and this is an interesting part of the map. There is a bullet hole right there in the map. No bicycles, no fires, and puppy dogs have to be on leashes. See, here's the quarter I found when the big red truck came by. Okay, we're done with our hike. Back to the car, and I'm going to show you how to use a microwave with a solar generator. So I have an extension cord here. I think it's 10 feet long, maybe 9 feet. Here's the other end. And I'm gonna hook it onto the microwave. The microwave is sitting right behind the driver's seat, facing to the other side. So I'm gonna hook this up. Then I'm gonna hook the other side up to one of these. I'm gonna pull this baby cover off and hook this one up over here. So I have the extension cord plugged into the Inergy Kodiak Generator. I'm going to turn it on. I have got one green dot. Okay. Again, the reason I put these white things on here is just to keep the dust out of those outlets. On this side of the car, I have the microwave plugged into the extension cord, and here we go. Okay, turntable is in position. I have some macaroni and cheese here. I'm gonna let it heat up. Okay, the maiden voyage of the microwave. One minute. You see it? Oh, can't see it. There it is. And we have warm food out in the wilderness with no fires. Yes. Warm mac and cheese. What could be better? Woo! This food tastes so good when you're out in the wilderness. I think it's the fresh air. Had a wonderful lunch. I'll do a panorama here so you can see all the way around me. There we go. All the way around. Fun, huh? Yes, you really can. Run a microwave with a Kodiak Energy solar generator. I have gotten my solar panel, but I needed an extra cable, so I ordered the extra cable. So it'll be a little while longer before I can use my solar panel. But it fits perfectly in the front window, so I can use it as a sunshade. So